Scam School Remix! Get ready to grab the attention of everybody in the room as you make a dollar bill fold itself. That's right, it's magic, real magic. It's not real magic.
Explode our brains, Mr. Ammar.
Oh, here's a little something. Power over money.
I like it already.
It's an illusion. Come on. Come on.
All right. All bites.
And there you go.
Go on.
That's weird.
It's fantastic.
It's
And
weird.
we're actually going to learn this, right?
Yep. Okay.
All right.
So here's the simple thing. There is a thread that goes through in a special way. If you're looking at the bill, right to left,
Yep.
top to bottom, and left to right. From there, this thread goes through all the layers except one. So you put a needle through, tape that piece to there, and then tape the other end to the here. And when this kind of stretches out, that thread comes just, now it's only about this long.
You know,
And
you
it just
don't notice how busy the pattern is, but it totally hides.
You know what?
the thread
It's
on.
one of the things you have to be careful is feeling guilty, because you're just sure that everybody can see this thing, but they're not. There's so much other stuff going on. And so you just put this in here. And if I want, you know, I can have another bill, you know, folded up. Now you take this, and that thread just goes right underneath.
Is the thread taped to your wallet?
And then I
or-
just tape it to the wallet. And as you kind of separate this thread, and that folds that bill. At the middle point, you have to move a little bit, but your
Right.
hand is right underneath. So then
Is it your hand moving forward gesture, or is it
I
the
try to
wallet
kind of
coming
move the
back?
wallet back so that this out here is just kind of doing this kind of stuff. So right now, this thread's just along my arm, and the other bill is here.
So really, all you have to do is transfer the
Boom.
wallet and then
And
pull.
so it's this kind of thing.
There you go.
There is one point where you kind of have to help the crease. So once it gets to here,
Yep.
I kind of help that crease. You know, because that's
But,
the one.
even then, it doesn't read as you helping it. It reads as you kind of like
just kind
you
of
know, like
adjusting.
yeah.
It. But what you're really doing is making sure that fold is going to go nice and easy
Okay.
from there.
Here, walk me through the fold. So I'm going to pretend I'm actually going to make this right now.
So looking at the face,
Yeah.
the right side folds over to the left,
Got it.
top to the bottom,
Top to the bottom. Got it.
and then left to the right.
If I'm stabbing it in, where on here do I want to stab it in from and
Straight
to?
through the center.
Okay, so all the way from the back up to that second.
And it looks
top
like it's
layer?
through 7 layers.
Right, all but the last one.
Tape it there.
And that's it?
And
It's
that's
so simple. Okay, all right, look. I'm going to have Nios actually try this.
And there's that little middle section where you have to move a little bit there.
I like the visual noise you're doing.
And now just put the wallet on top of that.
and then switch
And
it out.
then
and then
hand them
just
that.
like that.
There
That
you
is
go.
awesome.
Huge thanks to Michael Ammar for joining us on Scam School. Make sure to check out his website at ammarmagic.com. And for a whole lot more awesome gimmick goodness, check out scamstuff.com. It's gear for the modern rogue. If you're a longtime viewer of Scam School, then you know that we loves us some domain.com. Fast, easy, reliable domain registration, 15% off when you use promo code SCAMSCHOOL at checkout. But most importantly, they let us do ridiculous sketches like this one.
There we go.
Is it online yet?
Full functionality.
We saved the IPv4 address.
Nobody wants to type an IP. People want top-level domains, .com, .net. Is he gonna remember any of this?
No, we're gonna wipe it clean.
Prep it for surgery. 2, 1. Happy New Year, everybody! Woo! You're gonna go far.
Thirsty little guy, here you go.
With this solution, we get the best of all worlds. Top-level domains, .com, .net, fast, easy, reliable. 99.99% uptime. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the future of New Austin. Domain.com. Come on, for you. Yeah! You bad mother. Scam School remixes the best of our 10 years and 500 plus episodes of Scam School. Are you listening? 500 plus episodes of magic waiting for you. Each episode is time compressed, so you get the maximum amount of benefit with the minimum amount of time. We're talking about decades of experience in mere months, maybe even days. We're having a race. Who can learn the most the fastest? And go. And learn. And keep learning. Go with the learning. And cue the learning and go.